Myself Poonam Seth. I am your maths teacher. I am going to teach you the maths of class 3 students. Today we will start new chapter addition and subtraction. This chapter is an easy chapter as you know how to add and subtract. You did it in class 2 as well. Let us start with some examples. Example number 1. You have three numbers which you have to add. 5 plus 7 plus 2. Children, listen. In addition, you can start by taking any two numbers and add them first. Then add the third number. You will get the same answer. First of all, as we are adding 5 plus 7, 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. In another way, we can add these three numbers. 5 plus 7 plus 2. First of all, we can add these two numbers. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 7, again it is 14. We will get the same answer. Now we have some more examples. When we add 0 to any number, we get the same number. You can see the example on the board. 6 plus 0, the answer is 6. I am saying when we add 0 to any number, we get the same number as 23 plus 0. The answer is 23. When we add 0 to 465, we will get the same answer, 465. Let us come to the exercise. Exercise 4a. Question is add. Here some numbers are given and we have to find the addition of these numbers. First it is 3 plus 6. The answer is 9. You can see these answers also on the blackboard. 3 plus 6. The answer is 9. Next question. 6 plus 5. 11. 8 plus 7. 15. Now we have three numbers to add in the next line. 1 plus 3 plus 2. First of all, you will add these two numbers. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. Next sum is 2 plus 0 plus 5. The answer is 7. Next is 3 plus 4 plus 5. First add any two numbers. We are adding these two numbers. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. Next sum. 6 plus 7 plus 8. 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 8, 21. Then 9 plus 1 plus 3, 13. 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7 plus 4, 13. 8 plus 5 plus 0, 13. 1. Now we have to add four numbers. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. Next, 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0. Now I am leaving some of the sums. You can do yourself. Let us start next page. Page number 27. We will start with some of the examples. The question is expand and add. Let me tell you how to do this. Expand the tens and one place of 25 and 43. Then add tens place of both numbers and ones place of both numbers separately. You get the sum. Let us start by expanding each. 25 plus 43. So first of all we will expand 25. 20 plus 5. Write the symbol plus. Expand 43. 40 plus 3. Now take tens separately. 20 plus 40 and ones separately. 5 plus 3. So first of all we will add these two numbers. 20 plus 40, 60 plus 5 plus 3, 8. The answer is 68. In the same way we will do the next sum. 163 plus 724. First of all, we will expand 163 like this. 100 plus 60 plus 3 add. Now we have to expand 724. 700 plus 20 plus 4. So we will write 100 separately. 100 plus 700. Then we will write tens. 60 plus 20. Then we will write ones. 3 plus 4. So first we will add this. 100 plus 700. The answer is 800. Put the sign. 60 plus 20. 80. Again put the sign. 3 plus 4, 7. Now read this number 887. Answer is 887. In this way we can do our exercise. In exercise we have first sum 23 plus 74. 23 plus 74. Expand 23. 20 plus 3. Put the sign. Now expand 74. 70 plus 4. We will write the tens separately. 20 plus 70. Then we will write the ones separately. 3 plus 4. Add these two numbers. 20 plus 70, 90. 3 plus 4, 7. The answer is 97. Next sum is 321 plus 45. First we will expand 321. 300 plus 20 plus 1 plus sign. We have to expand 45. 40 plus 5. So we have here only 100s. So we will write it first 300. Then we will write tens. 20 plus 40 plus 1 plus 5. 300 plus. Add these two numbers. 20 plus 40, 60. Add these two numbers. 1 plus 5, 6. 300 plus 60 plus 6. The answer is 366. After this question, expand and add. The next question of this page is add. Here are some sums are given which we have to add. 32 plus 46. So children, it's better that we will write this sum in the sum format first. Then we will solve this. 32 plus 46. First you write this in the sum format. Then it will be easy to get the correct answer. 2 plus 6, 8. 3 plus 4, 7. In the same way, first you will make the sum format of all these sums, then you will solve. 44 plus 21, 5, 6. Next sum is 72 plus 16. Write it in the sum format. 74 plus 16. 72 plus 16. 2 plus 6, 8. 7 plus 1, 8. Next sum is 269 plus 30. 269 plus 30. 9, 9, 2. Now come to the next line. 145 plus 23. Write this sum also in the sum format first. 145, add 23 to it. 8, 6, 1. Next sum of this line. 27 plus 421. 27 plus 421. You will write all the numbers in correct column. 7 plus 1, 8. 2 plus 2, 4. 4. Next sum is 343 plus 142. 5, 8, 4. Now the remaining sums of this page you will do yourself in the notebook. All the work which have been discussed today, it has to be done in the notebook.